What's up, everyone? It's been a while since I vlogged for you guys. Good morning, hello. I've been doing commentary, so it kind of feels really nice to take a break from all the vlogs. But I'm gonna vlog today because it's a crazy busy day and I don't want to leave you guys hanging for my vlog viewers. The thing I'll let you guys know is it's gonna be a quick vlog, not in the sense of a short vlog. I mean, like, no cinematics, just going through the freaking day. It's super busy, but I didn't want to leave you guys hanging. You guys can see I am dressed in my shorts, my shirt, but I brought my work boots so I can do some construction today. What that means is I'm gonna give you guys an update on the warehouse. Now, the warehouse is gonna look really weird to you guys because I filmed a bunch of videos but never uploaded them. It's gonna look like we just completely almost finished it, but in reality, we didn't. First off, let me load those big boxes into this big, beautiful truck. Good morning, America. I'm gonna head over to my 8:30 meeting. Okay, we're at a meeting today. Some wheels. My wheel sponsored, BAVAR Racing. Ooh, look where I am. What's up, dude? How's it going, man?
Good, man. It's a big ass truck.
Damn. Wheels on wheels on wheels. Hey, look at this place. Woo! Look how big this place is. Archie's over here planning a master plan right here. He's talking about taking this lot, just drifting.
Just tear it up.
Oh my gosh.
As you can tell, the tire marks are already kind of fading away. I think it's time for some fresh ones.
When in this life do you get called over and say, hey, do you want to tear up the parking lot? Oh, what a crazy life we live in. All right, cool. So these are the sets.
What's up, Mike?
What's up, bro?
Check out some
Oh, man. Oh, shit. Damn. These are some big ones. Look how deep this is. Look. Woo. They're pretty light. Oh, dude, they're light.
Oh.
They're super light. Damn.
Check this out. Hold on. Let me take it to the sun because there's something about this paint that you're gonna want to see. There's 18 by 10.5, 100% floor form.
Crazy.
It has a metallic frame.
Yeah.
All in it.
It like shifts a little bit.
Yeah.
That's nice. Damn, that's sick.
So
It's a lot bigger too.
Yeah, we got 10.5 and then we got 9.5. So the 10.5 would be for the rear, the 9.5 would be for the front of your car. This was something that the finish, the color, everything, Falken chose it for their whole D1 team. We actually sponsored them with 100 wheels. So you would be the only one right here in the US that has this particular color scheme and finish.
Damn.
And we actually already talked to them, just so you know, we might be able to get a set of rubber throw on these.
Ooh.
So it'll be a set of Falken rubber wrapped around these.
Don't break my heart now.
I'm not,
tell
bro.
me it's gonna happen.
We're getting shit ready. We're gonna do it big. We're gonna do it big.
Oh damn. Okay, so so the Falken team has a set of this. And
yes. The entire D1 team overseas is rocking the set. They have multiple sets on all their cars. So this is something we built exclusively for Falken, a little collab. Bring it over here to the States. The moment you told me you were drifting, we already started about that project. I put two together. I go, this is gonna be a perfect thing once it comes through. So the wheel finally landed, and it's time to get you hooked up, bro.
It's like Archie just proposed to me, and I said, I do. I do, and I will. Damn, that's so crazy.
I have these in black chrome, but this is a 22-inch and a piano black for your car.
What?
It's 22 by 10, full floor form.
What?
I can do this on the Tesla. We also have it in
say it again.
chrome.
What car is this for?
The Model X, baby.
Oh.
You gotta remember the Model X.
God damn.
But wait, I don't have it on hand to show you. I know you gotta go, but next time I'll show you the black chrome, and then it'll
Black chrome.
Yeah, I don't have it on hand.
Man, black chrome is like so nice.
I'm not sure how much. If you got 5 minutes, I can have them pull it out.
Oh man. Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do. All right, leave that here. Let me get the location.
Damn. Archie throws a curveball and he says, how about the Model X? I was introduced to Ace Alley by a buddy named Matt a long time ago. Hopped in, said hello, hopped out, back and forth, and all of a sudden, like years later, we're actually working together. So the process of working together took many years, but hey, just be a really good person all the way through, and you never know what you'll get. A man on a mission, look at him, walking with purpose. Look at this, walking with purpose. Look at them feet move. Oh, I see you doing those box jumps.
Oh, you see?
Yo, man, you probably hop these pallets.
Right here.
I don't know how organized this place is. Oh shit. Yo, oh my god.
I fucking told you, bro.
Oh my god. Holy crap. That is crazy. You guys, let me know in the comments below, what do you guys like, the black or the black chrome? Because black chrome is loud, but it's so nice. And the black is subtle, but that's nice. Let me know in the comments below. Oh man, it's gonna be a long video today. Hopefully you guys are well hydrated and ready to get going with the day because it is only 9:10 a.m. and really good news already. Possibly new wheels for the Tesla, possibly new wheels for the 240, and possibly a video shoot, donuts here with city authorization to do it here, which is cool, and a possible work with Falcon. That is pretty freaking awesome. Okay, HQ, tuning crate, Primal driven, Tiger tires, a couple other brands. We run through this building right here. Let's get inside and get to work a little bit here before we head over to the next shop. Okay, we are at the other location. There's technically two here. There's one over there and one over here, and we've built the construction. I'll walk you guys through it real quick, but let me move this in with Rob. Tell us what you think of this place.
Looks pretty good.
All this man sweat here.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, look at this. We made a damn wall, guys. So this is the building number, I guess we could call this side 3. HQ1 is on the other side. This is 3, and then we have number 4. And if you guys have been on my live stream and IG stories, you'll see a lot of this. So we built this space out, framed it up, got the wall up, and then on this side, we have that 3 side, but we have a 4th side over there, which will double up as multiple things. Could be a party room, a pop-up shop. So we built those windows. See it? Not bad, huh? I learned to frame, guys. Ta-da! Pretty big. What? You go right-hand drive! You go right-hand drive! Yo! Right-hand drive! We just saw right-hand drive Subi. That shit was fucking nice.
Yeah, I think that's the first one I've seen.
I've never seen a right-hand drive. Have I? Maybe you've seen it at a car meet. Tuner Crate HQ. Alright, let's get back in here and see what we can do. Edgar designing some stuff right now. We have John moving some stuff right now. What's up, bro? Hello. He said, oh man, this car is thirsty today. Okay, I don't know if vlogging a door purchase is very funny, so we're just gonna skip that. More doors for more hope. Okay. Back to HQ. Guys on break? Whoa, what a crazy sweaty day. So I forgot to bring the camera. Once we left Lowe's, we went and going to Home Depot price checking. Bad news, no doors. Our doors is too big, so we have to figure it out. We went to lunch with Iris, dropped off John, and then now we're back here, we're organizing, and it's hot. It's like, where's my weather? Like 90 something degrees right now, according to my watch phone. Aaliyah, we are going to the last time in Toys R Us. Are you ready? Are you ready? Last time at Toys R Us, you ready? Let's go. It goes to show you that anything can happen in life, especially in business. Leah, I'm sorry you won't get to experience getting toys. I mean, there's always Amazon, my love. There's always Amazon. Dude, you know how bad I wanted these as a kid? They had like a version of this when they came out. I was like, oh my god, I want these. Never got them. It's $8.99 now? Oh no, less than that. Oh damn. What's up, Aaliyah? No dolls, just cars? Oh my gosh, dude. Iris and I have seen people do some shady ass shit in the store just because it's closing. Employees are being shady. Customers are being shady. God damn, savage. This is the apocalypse shit right here. That's what happens, Aaliyah. Apocalypse right here. They're just stealing shit. Oh my god, this place got raided. It's over. It's over. I'm here at Toys R Us, but I'll buy these. I'll buy these instead. Here, last time walking through Toys R Us, Aaliyah, go ahead. Look at stuff. There's nothing here. Aaliyah, where are you going? What is that? You want a cart? Where are you going? Where's Mama, Aaliyah? No, that's not Mama. Where's Mama? Oh yeah, that's not Mama. Come here. Hey, look. Mama. Let's go on a treasure hunt. See if we can find some cool vintage toy signs. Ready, Aaliyah? Ready? Ready? Do you see anything? Like you see like a Lego sign or something? No, that's not Mommy. That's a stranger. All right, babies are us. Okay, let's go see what we can. Let's see what we can see for fixtures. Aaliyah? Yeah, we should. Yeah, Aaliyah, what are you doing? Where are you going? Come on. Aaliyah. It's definitely not weird. Body parts. Abandoned building. Not weird at all. We just finished decorating inside the escape room. I can't show you guys because it'll ruin the game if you guys ever play it, but it is creepy in there. My hands are very red for specific reasons, well, I will not discuss, but it's cool. Okay, now I'm home. I just changed my shirt out, head to the gym. It is roughly almost 10 p.m. So late gym session for an hour and a half or so, and then head home and eat to work some more, and then to probably sleep around 2 a.m. What a day. I'll be right back.